Hello, Mike Dyson, Marine Max San Antonio. Thanks for stopping by. Come along, let's take a look at a brand new arrival, 2022 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. Not sure if you can tell in my voice, but I am smiling. I absolutely love the 160 Super Sport. My in-laws own one of these. We have had a ball running around the bay, pulling the kids on tubes and skis. Really smooth riding for a 16-foot boat, aggressive entry. And this is this is just as easy and as great as boating gets. We have a blast. It's simple to maintain, exceptionally low operation costs, really don't use any fuel. Hose it out, let it air dry. With the Boston Whaler Unibond Construction, it's a boat that literally lasts several family members' lifetimes. I mean, it's just a boat that will not ever let you down. It's going to be there from day one till 50, 60 years later. This is just a great starting point for a entry-level boater, even experienced boater. Just does everything. It does everything really well. It's as easy as boating gets. It fits in garages. Lightweight for towing. Again, maintenance-wise, guys, just spray hose it off, wipe it down. Simple as it gets. Boston Whaler's strategy to give the end owner an option of customizing them is really cool. The one we actually have some nice seats here that flip up, can be added to this boat. Cushion can be added here to the center seat here. Stereo, GPS fish finders, bimini tops, you name it, you can customize the boat to suit your needs. Option wise, we're looking at this one, how we ordered it from the factory. We've got the upgraded 19-gallon fuel cell. So I think you'd run out of daylight before you ran out of fuel. Exceptionally fuel efficient. Of course, 4-stroke Mercury. Power of choice. This one's the upgraded 90 horse version. We are fuel injected, ultra quiet, instant start. Doesn't matter if it's 100 degrees or 20 degrees. It'll idle all day long. No choke, no smoke. Just a beautiful little engine. This also has the optional windscreen, which the boat is pretty sporty, so that windscreen is kind of nice to have. Keeps the wind out of your eyes, which is nice. This is actually a lockable storage area here with a good seal on it. Excellent place for mobile phones, wallets, sunglasses. Again, that windscreen keeps the wind off of you. Cup holder here for the driver. We've got the dash applique, give it a nice custom look there. One thing, this center seat here is actually a cooler with a drain built into it, and it's 100% removable. It just lifts out of the molded keepers there. So if you want more walk space, easier to get to the front of the boat, you've got that option. For a 16-foot boat, pretty beamy. I'm a pretty heavy guy. As I walk around in it, I don't feel like I'm in a canoe. Just a great boat all the way around. This boat is in stock. It is available. Trailers included with swing tongue. Again, keeping it a shorter area. Standard garage, no problem. Got the optional spare tire on there. So with the trailer package like this in a boat, man, let's just go hit the road and find some adventures. This boat is built for the long haul, and just can't imagine how much fun you'll have on a boat like this. Personally, like I said, I've spent a lot of time on them. We have an absolute ball with the one we have, and can't wait to get you on the water, having fun, making memories with your family. My name is Mike Dyson again. My telephone number is 210-347-5768. Look forward to getting you guys on the water. Thank you.